Louis Vuitton on-the-go PM bag. Inspired by a traditional bag from the 1968, the Louis Vuitton Sac Plat, which was incredibly famous. The Louis Vuitton on-the-go bag is a modernized version. For the Spring-Summer 2021 collection, there is a new size available, the PM size. It's smaller, but still compact, and some fashion girls might even like it, because you don't need a big bag every day, right? The more choices, the better. Made from monogram imprinty leather and embossed with giant bicolor monogram pattern, this bag fits every daily essential that you need, like an iPad mini. The monogram flower patterns and the oversized LV logo over the body of the bag are flaunting effortless. They're not only gorgeous, but they just match with the whole design of the bag. The PM size comes with an articulated top handle as well as an adjustable removable strap. You can wear it crossbody or on the shoulder. The strap is 18.9-inch drop. The interior comes with an inside flat zipped pocket, inside double pocket and a main compartment. The bag is made from grained cowhide leather. Louis Vuitton on-the-go PM bag in bicolor monogram imprinty leather. Size: 9.8 by 7.5 by 4.5 inches. Length x height x width. Prices: $Ust 3,200, 4,000 Canadian dollars, 2,350 euros, pound GBP 21.90. Louis Vuitton on-the-go PM bag in monogram imprinty leather. Size: 9.8 by 7.5 by 4.5 inches. Length x height x width. Prices: $Ust 29.40, 3,650 Canadian dollars, 2,150 euros, pound GBP 2,000.